Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, on the Solana chart, our situation is still pretty much unchanged from yesterday. We're still in this overall sideways range here, and it could be that the price is working on a C wave to the downside. Either way, even if a slightly different structure is playing out, I think it is important to recognize that we're dealing with corrective price action only here. Yeah. What does that mean? Well, it means that there is no confirmation really that a more substantial low has formed. Not here on the 16th of August, not here with the low that formed yesterday, because all the rallies from those lows are simply just corrective in nature. In yesterday's update, I showed you the potential for one or two more lows with a resistance area. I've also posted that yesterday on Discord for our gold members. So the price yesterday was hovering here around 145.50. We were still way above the box, and the resistance area was 149 to 151. And the idea was we might get another 4-5 pattern to complete the larger third wave, and then maybe another 4-5 pattern to complete the C. And this is pretty much where we still are. Go back to the live chart. The difference is, however, that this one more low happened. The price did react to resistance. I've now changed the resistance area because we've moved on in the cycle. We've moved on in the structure, and it looks as if we could be in this larger fourth wave now. The resistance area is between, or actually I could add the 23.6 fib level here as well. Just gives you the key levels here that are relevant for resistance in a fourth wave. They are between $145.39 and $150.94. So, plus minus a few cents, not so important. What is important is that to maintain the idea that a C wave to the downside is unfolding, we'd like to see the market move not above resistance. So we don't want to see a sustained break above resistance. If that's the case, if the market forms another high and we break above $150.94, it might indicate that the structure is morphing. Doesn't necessarily mean that all of wave 2 has bottomed. This in fact would look a bit strange, because it would mean that this was an A wave, B wave, C wave, which is strange because this here would be only a 3-wave move down. This here would only be a 3-wave move up. And while that fits the idea of a B wave, the A wave and the C wave, that would be out of proportion. And yeah, it wouldn't look right. It wouldn't have the right look. So that might be a warning that something different is playing out. For most clarity, I would say, it would be ideal to get just one more low and then an impulsive reversal to the upside. However, it's important to be aware of the resistance area, just to know that if something, if the price breaks above it, something different might be playing out. This is when this microstructure will likely fail and change and morph and everything. But yeah, overall, whenever we're dealing with messy corrective structures on the micro level, it is worth being aware of the bigger picture. And the main idea is still that we could see further upside from here, as long as the $119 level is holding. But you can see quite comfortably the price could still move a little bit lower in the support zone without invalidating the overall bullish scenario we're tracking here for Solana. But looking at the big picture, the entire altcoin space doesn't look great, right? All the rallies here from the mid-August low, they've been corrective on most charts. They haven't been able to really break out. So things are not looking great for most altcoins, but they haven't done so this entire cycle. So yeah, just be careful with these altcoins, but the parameters should guide you. And we would need to see how the structure looks like if the market can generate a break above this micro resistance area. We then need to be careful, because it could just morph. It might be that this B wave just extends a bit. So I keep you updated anyway, but this is just noise, okay? And when there's just too much noise, just zoom out. And what really matters is that the bulls turn up. before the price breaks below that $119 support level. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.